How to fix the Google Drive download quota exceeded for this file error. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you are trying to locate a file or download and open it, and you get the error download quota exceeded, in that case, here is a solution that you can try on. To get started with, open and locate the file. If you find the error on it, the first thing you need to do is add the file to start. Tap on the three dots on the top right corner and tap on Add to Start. Now, next step would be creating a new folder. So you have to go back to your Google Drive, right click on any empty space and right click on New Folder. Name the folder and click on Create. Once you have created a new folder, now we have to organize the file into the new folder. In order to do so, go to Start and then right click on the file that was stored. Next option would be to click on Add to Shortcut, or what you can also do is move the file and organize it towards a new folder that you created. That information can be found under Organize, Add to Shortcut, or Move option as per your wish. Now you can go back to the folder that you had created along with the file on it. And if you try to open the file now, it should open easily. However, if it does not, there's another way as well. You can just download the whole folder, zip it, and then try to access it, and it should work. So this is all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.